Okay, so now we have our first 7 screens ready. Let's go ahead and go to the actual, we just have all the flow ready. Let's go ahead and actually edit inside the app what's going on. So let's drag here and have our app here. Wow, this is actually looking really good. Look at all this, all these photos, all this looks. It's just like really engaging. I think we did a good job. So first, let's go ahead and let's put a fixed footer. This is something that you're going to do everywhere. So let's go ahead and put a fixed footer. It's perfect. And let's go ahead and what do you say we add some actions here? So right away, just press here, press and drag, and let's go to Discover. So this tab, and close it, this tab is going to take you to the Discover screen. So just click it, and let's look for that. So we have it here. Good thing we have our names here, so we know. So that's good. Discover, and you know what? We're gonna add a fade transition. It's gonna look nice. And then click or tap. Yeah, click or tap. That's perfect. And dun. That's about it. So one thing to consider before continuing is what if we duplicate this action in the next screen? But the only way you can actually duplicate this action is if the height on the next screen is the same. So let's go ahead and check that on Illustrator file. So as you can see, the feed screens are both the same size. They're both the same height. So you can actually duplicate this button and it will duplicate perfectly on the next screen. This doesn't work if the heights are different, because you will have a button that is here and then another button that is probably over here if the heights are different of the screens. So for example, that action, we're not going to be able to duplicate it here because the heights are so different. So let's just go ahead, now that we confirm that this is the same, let's just go back to our project and let's click here. We already have where we're going to go. So let's just duplicate this hotspot. So we just press it. This one is selected. So just go to the next one. So feed hot, and duplicate on 2 screens. Perfect. So now you have that one duplicated. Let's close it. And now we're going to do the same for all of these. So go ahead and click and drag, and let's go. We're going to create the search one. So look for your search screen, and the first one is this. So just click it. Perfect. And then I'm gonna do a fade, and let's duplicate this hotspot, and we're going to duplicate it right here. Duplicate on 2 screens, and now let's just repeat the same process for the 2 remaining buttons real quick. So right here, I'm going to do fade, it's already there, and this one is for brands. So for brands, let's look for this. This is the one, and let's duplicate it. Let's duplicate it here, duplicate on 2 screens. Perfect. Now let's trade the U button. So since it for this continuing, let's just adjust the width of this one. Let's create this one. It's perfect. Let's search for the user screen, which is this one. Perfect. Sorry about that. And now let's do a fade. Let's duplicate this hotspot. Just duplicate on the next screen, and perfect. We have our footer ready. So again, be sure to have your fixed footer slider right there. Let's go back over here, and then we're going to actually add a hotspot right here. So this one is selected. We want to create a new one here. So this one is going to actually, over here, it's going to take me to this one. That way it will feel like this tab is selected. And let's do a fade, click or tap, it's already there. It's perfect. This is looking good. So let's go ahead and go to our next screen, which is the feed tab. So there you go. This one is already selected, so let's create a hotspot here. Oops, a little bit too small. So let's go all the way here. And this one is going to be to the previous image. Let's do a fade. That's perfect. Let's go all the way to the bottom. And as you can see, all these are already created. And you can actually, something that is pretty neat, it's when something is duplicated, you can actually make it bigger here, and whatever change you do here is going to be reflected on the other screens where this hotspot is duplicated. So it's pretty neat. So the only thing that we need to do now is just adjust the fixed footer. That's perfect. Everything's looking badass. And that's it. Next, we're going to actually add some actions here on our products, but we're going to do that later.